Can you give us your name and your title and how you are affiliated with the MICTAN?
Hi, I'm Beverly Glaze-Johnson, and I am the administrative coordinator of the First Response Center, primarily the psychosocial services programs.
What are the specific duties that you do as the program coordinator?
As a program coordinator, I conduct program oversight, supervision of staff, data collection, reporting. I am also involved in external meetings as it relates to those agencies, federal, state, and local, we receive our funding from. So I, in fact, serve on several Ryan White related committees, Ryan White programs that are specifically for individuals living with HIV/AIDS. And I additionally, I work with some substance abuse external programs as well.
How do you, how can you say that MICTAN has helped you, or how have you benefited personally from MICTAN?
Well, I've watched MICTAN grow from its inception, and it has really, really been rewarding for me to see the programs and the growth as it relates to MICTAN's national capacity building assistance trainings. There is one program locally here in Middle Tennessee, located in Clarksville, Tennessee. The pastor got involved through the MICTAN project and is now operating in collaboration with some other agencies and running his own HIV/AIDS outreach ministry, and even received some funding through Ryan White and some foundations. And so to me, that is the climax of what MICTAN is all about. And as they go around this country and train ministers, pastors, CBOs, civic and social organizations how to lead effective HIV/AIDS ministries. So, and just to bring that all together, I've had the opportunity over the last several years to work closely with this minister, and he and I have served on some of the same task force, some of the same committees, and he in turn has partnered with our organization on a number of events. So we're certainly, that again, that's so rewarding for me.
In what ways do you think, in what specific ways do you think MICTAN is needed, or why do you feel folks need to know about MICTAN? Why is MICTAN such an important entity for the community?
MICTAN is important for the community on a number of levels. One, particularly for the African American community, it is extremely important that the church get involved, or the churches get involved in the whole epidemic of HIV/AIDS, particularly as the numbers continue to grow within our community, in our communities. And MICTAN is vital because they have the expertise, the training, the tools, the funding to provide the support that the ministers and the churches may need to incorporate similar activities or do something. And I strongly believe that MICTAN is important because of what they do. If they can encourage and train and teach churches, if nothing else, but to do awareness days to increase knowledge and to provide information and to offer solutions on some level, it's just a critical need for our community across this country.